Magpunta, meron ka.
Alright! Shipping!
Yung kahit sa biyahe mo, meron ka na.
Pansin mo ba na ubos yung album sa
Hindi.
bahay?
Hindi. Pero sabi ko, alam ko gusto. Sabi ko, kahit
Isa.
saan ka magbiyahe, meron.
Okay, more.
Ay,
What's this one? That one. What's that? From
okay.
Mimi?
I swear.
Yeah, it will stretch, anak. That will stretch. Yeah. You should take your glasses off and then pull it back up.
Wait, I want to read this.
Alien. Who's that?
Distract me.
Who's is that?
Buksan mo.
Buti nagsalita ako.
Alam mo ba na ano yan?
Organizer. Kahit ano, pwedeng pang biyahe, pang toothbrush, ganun, mga ano,
Mga gamit mo.
gamit, pang cotton buds.
Alam mo ba na ilang stores sa pinuntahan kasi out
Out na
yan.
yung ano yung ganon sa akin.
Ayan.
Wala na eh.
Ganda yung color.
You're welcome. Whose is this?
Me, mine. Wait, don't distract
Gave
me.
it to you.
Everything.
Who gave it to you? Who gave it to you? Mikey?
Wait, I want to read it.
Wow, ganda!
Oh my god, I'm excited to put this in.
Ano nakalagay sa dedication mo?
To the love of my life. For you to always smell like the flowers of Eden. Always.
Gosh, oh my gosh. Stop using your Ziploc please. Makakainis.
Where's the other one? Where's the other one?
The toy? There.
I think this is so cute.
Yeah, you guys see my old charger? It's like the wire is showing.
I know.
I know.
Thank you guys.
You're welcome.
Ate, how many